Welcome back to the Science Kid. This is food science. So today we're going to be dealing with an easy bake oven, or as I like to call it, cooking with light bulbs. Okay, so pretty much how this easy bake oven works is there are 3 types of heat that is helping make the food or item cook. So there is conduction, which is pretty much direct contact with a hot surface. Then there is convection, which is the cooking from the oven's hot air. And then there is radiation, which is the heat flow in between the walls and then the item that you are cooking. Now, I got this from my neighbor who was gonna get rid of it, and so now I'm using it. Purple is a manly color, people, manly color. Okay, so this is not a cooking channel, it's a science channel. So A, do not judge me at all on my cooking terms, because I'm not going to use them correctly. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in here. Let's start the 15-minute timer. Okay guys, so it just finished cooking, so let's get the things that I have attempted to bake out. Okay. Looks really tasty. Looks really good. Okay, so apparently, according to the directions, I'm supposed to take some of this, and I'm gonna take this one because it looks like it's at least the flattest one. I'm just great at this, you guys. I'm really good. It's not even spreading on there. Okay. There we go. All right. Good stuff. All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of this later. That's pretty good. All right, so that's just showing you that heat is an absolute incredible thing, and you can use it to do many different things. One of them is cooking. I'll make sure to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.